etc. And are some of the sectors that it has moved itself, how it grows and develops from time to time, which is for the beneficial of the district and the state as a whole. Today, we celebrate the Ri Bhoi Foundation Day with utmost serenity and commitment because we know that struggle and sacrifices of our forefathers is praiseworthy. If it wasn't for their unity, struggle, and sacrifices, we would not have reached where we are today. With these few remarks, I would like to conclude my speech with a prayer for a better tomorrow. And may God continue to bless the Ri Bhoi district and its people. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Metela Kublai.
Check. Dr. Didi Lapang, he is the pillar of the Ri Bhoi district, and little that we know, he is a man who have started his life from rags to occupy the very highest position in the state. And may his journey be an inspiration to all of us, and from this celebration we convey our regards and best wishes to Mahe Didi Lapang, former Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Te parlok akan kapor ke pemerintah ngin poi pat syakawai ke benta bat kata kalong bangin yo asngo ke jingkran ke balengkot na kini ki MDC ke badan ringkat bat ngi akan kapor ke pemerintah te akan kapor ke pemerintah kelam da penslam ke kapor ngan khat sisendan ye iba JC Marngar ibolong MDC jong kemauhati constituency ba in semphawan sni syakmat ban ai ke jingkran hapdeng jongi.
Happy Ri Bhoi Foundation Day, Yepi Baro. Ningkong ngamla klem depan pau, ye kejing sngongu bakrau yo blay. Kababut nang ta, ngamla klem da ai kublay gerpang, yo Presiden Jong Ri Bhoi Darbar, iba Arbi Shadab. Ibla invite, ibla khot soba, bani don lang hagani kisngi, kublay shubun. Imama rangkan sahi makado ibolong advisor jong Ri Bhoi Darbar. Ngai kublai gerpang hakini gepor lingkot yo MLA badon borom jongi ba meral bon sim kejing don kejong I shisah hakini kesngi kapan saat ikmen sim jong